Now we're going to do chicken parmesan. Everything is going to be ready to go. Okay, we got some flour. Okay, and what we're going to do? We're going to flour a little bit. Doesn't have to be all of it, just a little bit. Okay, put them on the side. Another one over here. In the meantime, I want you to get the little pan and some vegetable oil. Okay, let them cook. And how you know when it's ready to go? Well, you get a little flour and you go like this. If you see it's bubbling, that means it's ready. So from there, we're going to go right here. Okay, right over here. Put a little breadcrumbs. My son again. Okay, there you go. Little egg. This is egg yolk. Okay. There you go. And then what we're going to do from here, we're going to put them right over here inside the hot pan. As you can see, it's ready to go. See, it's nice. It's now, remember, the pot's got to be even. Because if it's not even, what happens sometimes, one side cooks faster than the other. So you got to have the pot nice and even. Now we go. We got one more piece here. Okay. There we go. And we put right over here. There you go. Now we're done with this. Now after a while you got to turn them around. So you pick up the tongs over here and you turn them around. See how nice and crispy it's coming? I would say 2 minutes each side. Okay, 4 minutes, it should be ready to go. Now, see, nice and brown. That's how you want it. You want your chicken to be nice and brown, okay, and cook evenly. This is one of our biggest sellers, the chicken Parmigiana, veal Parmesan. They go like crazy. Again, making sure that the fire is low because you don't want to do it too hot. You know, especially if you are a beginner, just cook slowly. Turn them around. Now, if you want to make sure that the chicken is cooked, what you do, you just open in the middle, okay, and you see, okay, you see this one, you pick it up like this and you take a look in it. One more, 10 more seconds. This one is done. We'll put this one before that one. There you go. So this is almost done. Nice and brown. See how nice and brown it is? That's how you want it. Perfecto. Okay. Now what you do, you pick up the chicken and you put it right over here. And then you put a little Parmesan cheese. I know, sauce. And then you put the sauce on top of it. See? Just like that. And then you put the cheese on top of it. There you go. And now what you do, you put them inside the oven. If you have an oven, it's fine. I would say about 350. And you put them right there. See? And that's our chicken Parmesan. You don't have to go to the store. Everything is right over here in the cooking kit. And easy doing it. You have fun doing it with your kids, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever, and have fun. Okay? Grazie e buon appetito. Okay. Here we go. Oh boy, look at that, nice. And that's, my friend, chicken Parmigiana. And enjoy it. Thank you, and thank you for supporting the Lutheran kids.